Hello guys, so welcome back to Daily Entertainment Bash right here on Odate GH TV. Please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to this channel and also click on the bell icon so that anytime I drop a new content, you will be the first to be notified. And also don't forget to also drop your comments in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends and loved ones. Okay, straight to today's bash, we have CID invites Akuapem Polo for questioning after complaints about her naked photo with son. Yes, so information reaching us indicates that the Criminal Investigation Department of the Ghana Police Service has reportedly invited actress Rosemond Brown, popularly known as Akuapem Polo, for questioning. Her invitation comes after the children's rights group Child Rights International filed a complaint against her at the police station over a naked photo she posted online today to celebrate her son's 7th birthday. Yes, so the letter reads, "Petition for investigation. Child Rights International is a non-governmental organization with the aim of upholding the fundamental human rights of children, irrespective of their religion, status, geographical location, color, and ethnicity. Our attention has been drawn to a nude picture involving a certain Miss Rosemond Brown, popularly known as Akuapem Polo, and a child circulating on social media. As a child rights organization that believes in upholding the rights of children, we deem this act as a violation of the welfare principle of the Children's Act and abuse of the child's right to privacy and dignity. We wish to notify your esteemed office to investigate the taking of the said images and its circulation. We count on your cooperation. Yours faithfully, Bright Appiah, Executive Director." Yes, so this is a letter from the Child Rights International that has been filed to the Ghana Police Service. Yes, so the photo which went viral had a lot of tractions and backlash from social media users, with some of them reporting the photo to Instagram to be taken down immediately. Okay guys, what do you think about this particular issue? Kindly drop your comment in the comment section below and let's get interactive in there. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.